Run this code. Can you please tell what is the output? Sir, somewhere I heard recursive method call stack overflow error we are going to get. If I can ask the same question in my offline session, 90% of the students are going to tell minimum, sir, stack overflow error. But please make sure we never going to get stack overflow error. What the reason is? Suppose matchbox is there and diesel or petrol tank is there. If I keep these two things side by side, automatically firing is going to be happen? No, someone has to ignite. Sir, M1 calls M2, M2 calls M1, but you didn't call any of this. That's why, sir, main method will execute. Simply hello is the answer we are going to get. Why don't you apply same story for our constructors? So it is calling this constructor, it is calling this constructor like, do you know this is cycle recursive constructor call. Happily the code compiles and runs fine because first constructor calls second constructor calls first constructor, but you are not calling any constructor because you are not creating an object. Again, because you are not creating an object, simply hello is the answer we are going to get. So if there is any chance of recursive constructor call, if there is a possibility of recursive constructor call, syntactical mistake, compiler immediately is going to object. So if there is a possibility of recursive constructor call, immediately compile time error you are going to get, sir. So recursive method call is always runtime exception saying stack overflow error, but a recursive constructor invocation is the compile time error, syntactical mistake, but not runtime exception.